Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuse to check in case your outside side mirror defroster stopped working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Fuse is the first thing you should be checking, and then if the fuse proves to be good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. Start by checking defroster switch and all the wiring towards the mirror. The fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood, just in front of the battery, under this cover. To remove the cover, you will have three black tabs, one here, and one here. You want to press these tabs together and lift up to unlock it. Once you have the cover off, on the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here this is the fuse puller, which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. And the fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number F30, which is a 7.5 amp fuse located up here. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.